Hey guys, today we'll be looking at the WE G17 and 18C. Both guns have a Gen 4 lower and metal slides. The Gen 4 features an enlarged magazine release, new grip dimpling,
That's not my business.
and replaceable back straps.
I should like to help everyone if possible.
The gun will include a medium and a large back strap as well as an enlarged pin for them.
We all want to help one another. Human beings.
Both guns will come with the traditional Glock U and dot sights.
We don't want to hate and despise.
Just like the real Glocks, the triggers have a safety.
Is rich and can provide for everyone. The way of life can be free.
As an extra safety, the serial number plate on the bottom acts as a safety.
Greed has poisoned men's souls.
Unlike the G17, the G18 has semi-automatic and full auto fire. I have removed my rear sight because the threading on the sight was bad and I couldn't get the screw to stay in, so I had to do a little bit of modification. Similar to the real counterpart, the G18 does have a ported outer barrel.
The aeroplane and the radio have brought us closer together. The very nature of these inventions.
To engage the hop-up, you must remove the slide from the frame. To do that, you must pull on the two tabs on both sides of the gun. While pulling down, pull the slide back and push forward. With the slide and the frame disassembled, you can now adjust the hop-up here. The slide and the frame separated, you can now feel strip. First by moving the recoil rod. By pushing back on the nozzle and pushing forward on the barrel, you can now remove it. You can see the outer barrel with the orange tip. Do not worry because it can use Marui G series parts. To reinstall everything, just do the complete opposite of what you did before. Here you can see that the magazine for the 17 and 18 will fit each other. WE also makes an extended 30-round mag for the 17 and 18. Here I will be chronoing the G17 because the G18 and the G17 have a similar FPS. On the screen now, you will see the G18 in action. And here is the G17 in action. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more, and thank you for watching. Here are some more shots with both these guns.